So we're down here in Eltham in southeast London. Scaffold's finally down now on our brick restoration project, so I'll give you a little run through what we did on this project. So we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks, as always with matching imperial bricks. The middle arch there, you can see we took down and rebuilt the arch. It's really bowed in the middle, so we like I say, took that down and rebuilt that. We've repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish, and all of the arches have all been tuck pointed. I'll give you a little close up of how that all looks. So a real nice finish to the brickwork as always. All of the egg and dart feature brickwork all restored. What else we've done was painted all of the stonework, all of the pebbled ash was all painted. We've done some repairs up on the main parapet wall. We've done repairs to the pebbled ash, repointed the chimney stack on there. We've done new fascia boards, soffit and gutters all of the way through there. All of the parapet work's done on here. All the coping stones up on the parapet had all came down. So we've rebuilt all the parapet, new step flash in there as well, repairs to the pebbled ash in that corner as we fractured and cracked all the way through. Now the scaffolding's down. Just got to come back now and paint the plinth. Scaffold was in the way, so we're going to paint all of the plinth all of the way through there. Customer is having new windows fitted soon, so that's going to really finish off this transformation. So this has come out really well. Customers are really happy with how everything looks, and like I say, once again, another job finished to the highest standard as always. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.